When you are.
Sharpening my quill. Without a care or concern, I grasp my quill with words of light, resisting ignorance with art. What care should I have with hate-filled rules, traditions of confusion filled with mistrust? With a sharp quill, I sing love song, calling a divinity within to simply remember. Who is the thinker beyond your thoughts? Who is whispering kindness, forgiveness? Let love be the law you follow. Let love sing the story of your life, embracing forgiveness with wings of freedom. End poem.